Alright, driving from Waynesville back to Canton, just taking a different route. Trying to stay on all back roads. First time using this camera when it's getting dark. Not sure how well it works in the dark, but I guess we'll find out. Alright, so disengagement here. It always wants to get in that right lane, which is a right turn only, and you can't get over. So you have to make sure you're in the right lane there, or the correct lane there, because you don't want to be in that right lane that gets blocked off. Alright, so right here, it always stays in the right lane all the way till the end, even though the lane is ending. And you'll see what happens. It will wait till the very end and then swerve over across the yellow line. I really wish it would pre-plan things better. It knows that lane's going to end, so go ahead and get in the other lane. Alright, so it's still doing this where it gets in the left lane for no reason. It's also not slowing down at all. I don't need to be in the left lane. There's a car right on my tail, a van that's passing me. was doing going toward the other lane. Didn't have a turn signal on. I'll have to look at that. Oh, I know what it's doing. So I won't count those. I really wish waypoints had an option for routes instead of actually stopping where the marker is put. Especially since sometimes the marker is off from where you put your finger. So, for instance, this spot, I put a marker right here once, and it put me up that side road. Okay, it was not stopping. So ideally, waypoints, I guess, it makes sense how it works, but we need another option to create a route. So let's say if I want to go on this specific set of roads, there's no way to do that except for waypoints. And then waypoints will try to, okay, just run the red light. Waypoints will try to stop you at each waypoint. So it's better than nothing, but it still doesn't solve the problem of creating a route or taking specific roads. If we could draw a route on the map or even choose alternate routes, but that really wouldn't solve what I'm trying to do here. I want it to go a specific direction, and the only way to do that is waypoints, and then you have to remove those before you get to them. So there's no one behind me. I'm going to put it down to 5 miles per hour. It's still going 17 though, so. Okay, it's showing it routing the right way. Okay, there you go. I was asked to see what it would do if I kept going. It would have run me into the wall. So there you go. You can see on the video how close it got to the wall, and there is no way to clear that. I had to put it in reverse, back up, and turn sharply to the left to even clear that. Obviously, if someone was behind me, that would not be good. And if I just let the car do its own thing, would not have been a good thing. I don't understand why it has trouble there. It's very clearly a wall. Again, I was talking, so it stopped where I set the waypoint. It's very clearly a wall. The road is very clear that it turns to the left. The tentacle shows it correctly going up the road, but the car just doesn't do it. It's so frustrating. And the fact that it actually did work, all right, this is a first. All right, I'm gonna stop. Yeah, this intersection just sucks if there's ever a car here. So I flashed everyone on because the car, it can't The car always tries to do the turn as it normally would, even if there's a car there and there's just not enough room. And is it going to get over on its side of the road? No. See, and then it goes right back to the middle. Yeah, that intersection, if it's clear, it's okay, but the car doesn't pull out and then left. It just does this narrow angle and just doesn't do well in the turn at all. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.